Welcome back. You're still with us on Startup Street. India's beauty market is seeing a clear shift towards premiumization, and fashion-led collaborations are now becoming a key growth lever. In its first ever Couture collaboration, K-Beauty has partnered with designer label Falguni Shane Peacock, blending high fashion with mass premium cosmetics. For K-Beauty, which already operates at a 350 crore rupee annualized run rate, the collaboration signals a push towards stronger brand positioning, higher value consumers and global ambition. For the fashion industry, it reflects how Couture is moving beyond the runway to build scalable consumer brands. As Indian beauty labels eye international markets and consumers show a growing appetite for premium products, the big question is, can Couture influence drive volumes without losing accessibility? Zenia Baria dropped in to check it out.
J-Lo, Lady Gaga and Queen Bee. Falguni Shane Peacock have dressed them all. When you think of Falguni and Shane Peacock, you think statement outfits and global red carpets. Now imagine that same design language showing up on your makeup shelf. That's the kind of idea inspiring the new collaboration with K-Beauty, making it more accessible. Let's take a closer look. K-Beauty isn't a legacy luxury brand. It's young, it's digital first, and it's democratic. What about that philosophy aligned with the way you see the future of luxury?
I think as Falguni Shane Peacock, I would say we are a very young brand. You know, we dress the modern bride of India, rather the world. And I think right now, you know, the whole feel of beauty is changing. Like across the world, people are going and trying younger brands, and K-Beauty is, you know, the way they've got the formulas is amazing. So I think they will be a legacy brand, but yes, they are young, and I think that's what we as designers are. So it's a great collab.
It's a brand in partnership between Nykaa and Katrina Kaif. One that we started about 3-4 years ago. Today, it's a 350 crore GMV annualized run rate brand. It's become, you know, quite sizable. It's also a top 5 brand on the platform. When we were thinking about, and with K-Beauty, we're always thinking about how to sort of introduce the customer to more and more interesting, creative concepts. And therefore, we had this idea to find, you know, an amazing designer collaboration and do this first ever Couture collaboration with Falguni and Shane Peacock.
Falguni, you are known for your dramatic style. Talk to us about how that aesthetic translated into makeup, packaging and design.
I think for us, you know, as we're known as couture designers, it was a natural progression for us. And when Katrina called, we were like, you know, should we do it? Should we not do it? And in half an hour, it was a yes, let's do it. But the whole idea about kind of packaging couture into a lipstick or into the palette and give a little piece of the brand was what, you know, the idea was. And that's why the lipstick has that beautiful French gold, which just stands out from the, you know, other ranges that are there. It all started with, okay, what color should we do? Whether it should be a metallic. I was like, you know, I want the lipstick to feel heavy. It needs to feel couture, like a couture outfit. There is beading in it. There is some weight in it. There is a story to tell. We started off with 8 shades, then it went to 10, and then it went to 12. I'm like, the range looked really beautiful. So we started building more and more. And we decided that we'll do, you know, lipsticks only. And then suddenly we were like, you know, why not give it like a whole sort of a wholesome look? The collab needs to feel a little more than just lipstick. So that's why we decided to do the face palettes. It's a day palette and it's an evening palette, and you can mix tones. It's got the contour, the highlighter, the blush.
Couture often feels out of reach. When someone hears couture lipstick, they expect it to be expensive. How much does this actually cost, and how did you decide the price point?
So with K-Beauty, we had gone international a few months ago. So we had gone to Space NK in the UK. And so we are very clear that this launch had to be something that went 360 globally. And so there's been a simultaneous launch in both the UK and in Dubai at Nykaa. In terms of pricing, it is slightly more premium in the UK. And that's also just, you know, the nature of the cost of actually taking a product international. So it's broadly being sold at about 2,500 rupees in the UK. So slightly premium than what it is in India. And then that's to reflect the cost of actually taking it abroad and the cost of doing business there.
At the heart of it, it isn't about beauty or fashion. It's about how people want to experience luxury. Closer, more personal, and very much their own. Couture will always rule the runway. But moments like these tell us how they all mingle in and come together in our everyday lives. In Mumbai, Zenia Baria.
Well, with that, it's a wrap from Arundhati and me, Shruti, on this edition of Startup Street. More news and updates coming up on the other side.